Christmas night just with you.
All right, we got us a package. Let's say thank you.
Thank you.